Aren't you glad for innovation? Things that used to be big and bulky now fit in your pocket. Even your hose. From the makers of the #1 expandable hose in the world comes another amazing pocket hose, the Silver Bullet. It's making other hoses obsolete. Look, that old hose is a pain in the grass, but the new Silver Bullet is the hassle-free hose. Just turn on the water and the Silver Bullet inflates from pocket size to super size. It's the hands-free hose that grows. Then turn off the water and it shrinks back down to a super light pocket hose. It's putting itself away. The other hose? It just sits there. No more dragging heavy hoses. No flipping and whipping to clear the kinks. The Silver Bullet will never kink. Look at that. I mean, that's a kink. And look at the water pressure. The Silver Bullet stores with ease. Perfect for boats or RVs. Look, your old hose and my Silver Bullet. Your old hose, my Silver Bullet. The exclusive bullet shell outer casing resists snagging, tearing, and wearing. It easily maneuvers around the garden without crushing your plants. And the Silver Bullet has no lead. These machine aluminum connectors make it safe for drinking. It's the lightest hose I've ever owned. Come on, dump the heavy old hose and get the Bullet.